to remove the bumper. Remove this bolt. There is no torque for this, so when you tighten it, you just feel it's tight, then you stop there. Then you need to remove this. You need to have a Phillips screwdriver like that. You need to twist it slowly while holding the base here. So basically it's going to come out. So you need to remove this cover. This one, I'm gonna remove that part because there will be more clips and a few bolts. Next, remove these bolts. 1, 2. It is holding the bumper. The torque is 9 or 10. I'm gonna remove it. I'm not sure which one is the one that's really keeping it together, but I'm guessing that you just remove all these clips. Use the clip remover with the flathead, like so, like that. Okay, so I cannot do it with one hand. I'm gonna remove it first. 1, 2, and also 3, 4, and this one here. You see that? So you will need to remove this one also. So this one you don't need to remove. There's about 1, 2. It is actually the part of the bumper. Okay, after removing that, this is a basically clips. We need to pull it out, but first I'm gonna check it. There is another bolt here. This is attached to the bumper, so you need to check down here. Oh, this one's gone. I put the button on it. Alright, remove that. There's a clip here and also the bolt here, and then you will need to break this out, pull it out. I already done the other side, so you can see there. See there. This is the part, the holder, the bracket. So if this breaks, you can replace it. This comes with the bumper. So this is the whole thing that's coming off. Right, this have to be careful a bit. Before you remove this, you should have another friend holding it for you, because there are wires and harness holding the. This is the lights and things like that. So you can put it down. So I will remove this side also. Okay. Remove this, press it, okay, and then just you need 2 hands to pull it out. There's 2 of them. It is for the light system, and also the other side. So you need to look for these harnesses. Okay, there's only one that connects all the way here. So there's only one, and that's about it. When removing this, please be careful. There's only one of this. It is attached in here, and all the debris has already been inside here, so it kind of got stuck. I was using this. This is a dielectric grease. It is a grease, but it is not a conductor, so electricity doesn't go through it. See that? So I sprayed it in between there. Hopefully that it will dissolve. But do not use WD-40 or such. It is not plastic friendly and electrical friendly. So this is what you're looking at. This is the radiator for the inverter, and this is the radiator for the engine. I'm gonna clean it. Okay, let me explain a bit why this is important to clean. Imagine your aircon at home in your room. When it is so dirty, full of all these debris, and it's blocked. You need to imagine this. The compressor will need to work harder to keep a certain temperature because it cannot pull in the certain amount of air. When it's blocked, it's trying to pull in, it's trying to cool stuff, but it cannot. Let's say this is blocked. You put more stress on the compressor because the compressor is always hot, so it cannot cool itself. At the same time, it cannot cool the car. At the same time, you understand that. If you understand this, that when it is blocked, imagine the blower also. I've already made a video on how to clean the blower. If you do that, your air conditioning will work harder to provide you to maintain a certain temperature. And I think everyone knows this. A dirty aircon will increase the electricity bill. So the concept is the same for this. If it's dirty, you will have a problem with your air conditioning inside. It will pull more electricity from the HV battery to maintain a temperature. Your compressor is working harder. It cannot cool itself because it cannot pull the air. The fan cannot pull the air, it gets blocked. Your compressor is down here, so your compressor will overheat. So it will stop because it has an automatic. I think it has automatic stop. So when it overheats, it will stop. You get hot inside. It will pull more battery in to give you more air. The blower will have to spin faster because it is so dirty that it cannot give you the amount of air. It's like your ceiling fan. When it's full of dust, it cannot give you that air. So when you clean it, you get a better air circulation. The flow of air is faster, it's more cooler. Okay, you understand that then? So you do it. I'm going to clean it. I've removed this. It's a 9 to 10 torque. Put it back. If you forget it, to lose it, put the horn here. I'm now using the greaser to clean. It is safe for plastic. Do not use high pressured water. It is cleaner than before. Last but not least, when you want to plug it back, use a degreaser, the electric grease. You spray it around here, inside. So the next time you want to take it off, it will not be so hard to take out because it is a grease. It keeps out all the dust and debris out, so it doesn't get this thing stuck. So clean it like this, as so. Remember, this is poison. Please don't get too close. Put it far like that. It's not conductor, see, it's too clean, and it will put grease here, so next time it will just slide out easily. You spray inside here, inside there. Okay, I'm just doing example. Clean it up. To complete this task, you will need a torque wrench 1/4, a size 10, a a size 12, a small ratchet, plate remover. So that's about what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is necessary. You need to tie things up. If it's not, it's okay. This is to wrap. A small flathead screwdriver. These are optional. Light, glove. I think you should use glove if you have feminine hands, soft hands. And this. If you wear spectacles, please wear now the goggles, because you'll be using chemicals that will destroy the layer of your spectacles. It will damage it, I can guarantee you. These are just options. Forget about these two. This is the degreaser to clean the radiator, and this is a air conditioner cleaner, the foaming spray. Remember to shake it very well so it foams up. So different. I'm just showing the choices. You just need one. Okay, it is safe for plastic, safe for fins, because it's basically find a water-based one that doesn't destroy the fin, the aircon condenser fin. This is just for electronic stuff. It's optional. This is for the connector. It is a dielectric grease, so it's easy. Make sure it's close to a water source so you can hose it. Remember, do not use high pressure water because you can dent the condenser fin. Just go through it. That's why you need the hose, the foam, for it to foam up and it comes out, and then you just, do 2-3 passing. Foam it, rinse it, foam it, rinse it. Okay. Simple task, 1 hour's done. Thank you very much.